order ng committee ng House is
Yes.
to transfer you immediately.
I understand
Yes,
that,
yes.
but I really like my lawyers to be present.
Can we arrange that while on transit?
No, I really like my lawyers to be present.
Because
Ma'am, we can arrange that naman, ma'am, for you. Pero ma'am, let
Can we
us...
call them now?
No, ma'am, let us implement this first, ma'am. Because
No,
we are
I need my
under...
lawyers to be present now. Please, please. I need my lawyers to be present.
Ma'am, not
I
here
am,
po. Opo.
I am serving my detention in good faith.
Opo.
Please know that.
Opo.
From the US, I came back. I sat there and I answered the questions. So, I would like my lawyers to be present.
Ma'am, are your lawyers around?
We are going to call them.
And ma'am, but we are ordered to
I want my
implement this
lawyers to be
immediately.
present. Ma'am, please.
Opo. So,
Please
ano we need to
understand.
also?
kasi ang ano sa
Wala akong problema,
Yes, yes.
sir. But I need my lawyers to be present.
Before we can effect this, ma'am.
I need
Because
my
ba-
lawyer. No, let them come with me. Or at least masabihan ko sila.
Ma'am, safe naman po kayo with us. Opo.
It is not that. Wala akong issue about that. Leave the room now.
Ma'am, ma'am, may lawyer naman po kami dito.
I am not going
Okay,
anywhere. Just
opo.
leave the room now. Leave the room now.
Ma'am, we'll check muna po sa aming committee.
Walang problema. Leave the room now.
Yan po.
I just want my lawyers to be present. Narinig niyo yan lahat, ha?
Opo, opo.
I want my lawyers to be present. Please leave the room now.
Paki-inform mo na sa...
Leave the room now.